Welcome to Tandika's Life Unfiltered. Just everyday life, unfiltered. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hi. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today we're taking you along with us for a fun day out at Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve in Helderberg. If you're looking for a nature escape that is not too far from home, this place is actually only 30 minutes away from Alberton, which makes it perfect for a quick day trip. So, if you enjoy nature, animals, fresh air, and spending quality time with your family, then keep watching because this place honestly surprised us in the best way. Before we get into the fun stuff, let's quickly talk about the entrance fees, times, because I know that's always important. The entrance fee is 48 Rand for adults, 37 Rand for children. Kids under 5 enter for free, which is a bonus, and 37 Rand per car. The gates open at 6 a.m. until 12 p.m., so you do need to arrive before noon. But once you're inside, you're allowed to stay until 6 p.m., which gives you plenty of time to explore and really enjoy the day without rushing. One of the things I really like about Suikerbosrand is that there's something for everyone. They offer a lot of activities, including hiking trails, game drives, cycling trails, and picnic area. So whether you're someone who enjoys being active or you just want to relax and enjoy nature, this place gives you options. For our visit, we decided to do a game drive and spend some time at the picnic area, especially since we had the kids with us. We headed to the picnic area to relax and eat. The picnic area is really nice for families. There's a lot of space to sit, relax, and enjoy your food while surrounded by nature. There's also a play area for kids. I will say though, it doesn't seem like it's been taken care of as well as it should be. Some parts definitely need maintenance. But honestly, the kids still enjoyed themselves, and that's what matters the most. They had space to play, run around, and just be kids, which made the experience worth it. Let me tell you, the game drive was amazing. The reserve is absolutely beautiful. The landscapes, the open spaces, the mountains in the background, it honestly feels like you're far away from the city, even though you're not. We were lucky enough to see quite a lot of animals, which made the experience even more exciting. Seeing animals in their natural environment is always special, especially for the kids. You can really take your time, stop, observe, and enjoy the moment.
The walking trail, like we did, just make sure you're wearing proper shoes because this was a struggle.
The views are honestly out of this world. Everywhere you look, there's something beautiful to see. It's such a peaceful environment. Now, I have to mention one thing that low-key scared me. Apparently, there are a lot of snakes in this nature reserve. I won't lie, this information had me a little on the edge, especially with the kids around. But thankfully, we didn't see any snakes at all, and the whole day went smoothly. As long as you stay on the designated paths and keep your eye out on your surroundings, you should be fine. Still, it's something to be aware of if you're planning to visit. Overall, we had such a great time at the Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve. It's affordable, close to home, and family friendly. The game drive alone makes it worth visiting. And if you enjoy nature and outdoor activities, this is definitely a place you should add to your list. Would we come back again? Absolutely. If you're looking for a peaceful day out, a family fun outing, or just a break from the city, I would definitely recommend Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you've been here before or if you're planning to visit. We'll see you in the next one.